the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah the Almighty be upon all of you. This is AntConc tutorial 5, and in this tutorial we are going to look at what is Concordance plot tool and how to use it, and tool preferences in Concordance plot tool, as well as how to save Concordance plot results. This video is in English. The same video, the same tutorial is available in Urdu or Hindi at my channel as well. So let's start. So first I'll upload a few files of my selection, so of my own choice. So for this I select open files. So in first tutorial I told you how to download it, how to get started with it, and then in second, third and fourth tutorial we looked at all the features including advanced features and tool preferences of Concordance tool, and now we are going to look at Concordance plot tool. So I have selected a few files. So when you select a few files or any number of files, you can look it here, total number 10. Now go to Concordance plot and let's search a few words. So first word I'll search editor. So here you can see Concordance hits 1 and total plots with hits 1. So Concordance hits is the same thing as we look in Concordance tool, that the frequency of a particular word, and total plots with hits or total plots, it is also called range of data. So it means in which files, in how many files this word is available. So this is Concordance plots or so Concordance plot is only one in all of these files. It means that this word is available only in one file. So when I click on this word, so I'll go to the position and I'll find the surrounding words as well. Now let's search a word which is frequently available in all files or in more than one files or in more than one plots. So now you can look it that there are concordance hits are 3 and total plots with hits are 2. So and this is the position of the particular word you have searched. For example, in this file you can look at that it is available at very start, and in this file it is available actually at the start, not at the start but after 40% as well as after almost 80% as well. So there are 2 hits, and characters mean how many number of letters in this file, and hits. So and you can also see that file name is also available above each plot. Now let's search a very frequent word, the. So now you can see there are 10 plots, and you know that this word is frequently available and frequently used in almost every file, and it is must used. So therefore there are plot numbers with hits 10 and concordance hits are 1587. Now you can see that these plots are very dense, which you know that it means that this word is frequently available at many places in these files and with very small distance. So now in these files you can see the hit numbers, but in these files it is very difficult to look at. So for this purpose you have to zoom it. So let's zoom it So actually we can zoom it almost 10 times. So now it is quite easily to look at. But even then, in such files it is even now difficult to see. So for this you have to go to tool preferences. In tool preferences you have to select concordance plot, and then here is the option use a relative length. When you select use a relative length, so what will happen, let's look at, and then press the button start. So now you can see that the length between two hits has increased, and now it is very easy to find any of the hits. You can click any of these hits and go in the file view. So this is the purpose of relative length. Let's look at other options as well. So scale option, normalized plot length, so it is 400. You can increase maximum plot length. So it means, for example, here you can see that this plot length is very large. If you want to increase it more, 500 or more 600, so you can also increase it at your own choice. So I think 400 is quite sufficient. Now a relative plot scale factor. So what does it mean? For example, you can see that there is a specific length between these two hits. If you want to increase it, so you have to select this option. So you can increase it 1, 2, 3, 4 or as many as you want. But I think even 1 is sufficient when you select this option, use the relative length. Yes, in this available option, this tool would be you can say would be reliable, but in this option when you select this, so I think you don't need it, but you can select at your own choice. Now plot hit labels. Plot hit labels mean, for example, you can look at the hit number 532, 533. If you select the option no, so these will be hidden. And plot blank files, yes, I want to show it you. So now let me apply and press the button start. Now you can see that the hits number are hidden from these plots. Now I'll again go to tool preferences because I want to show you this option, plot blank files. So yes and yes, then once again select the normalized length. So we go to default settings, then apply, and now I'll search a new word, book. So now you can see that there are many plots which are empty, which are blank. So this is the purpose. If you want to see even those plots which have no hits, which have no concordance hits, so this is the purpose of this tool, plot blank files. So once again I go to no and apply, press the button start. Now all those plots are hidden which have which does not contain this word. So this is the purpose of this tool. And how to search with case and how to search with regex I have told you in last videos. The same thing you can do here with advanced tool, that if you want to search a few words, for example good, great, editor and then apply, then press the button start. So the same thing will be happen here, that now it will search according to those 3 or 4 words or as many words you want to search. For example, here great, then here is great in another plot, great. So this is the purpose of advanced tool feature. And good, I also search good. So in this way you can also use the advanced tool in concordance plot as well. So this is all about this tutorial, but the last thing, how to save it. So there are 2 options to save this concordance plot. So first of all, the first option, which is better, that download this software, post script viewer. I'll provide the link of it in description. Plus you must have PDF. So if you have these 2 softwares, then you can easily save the concordance plot as well. So for example, I have these 2 softwares. So now I'll press the button Ctrl S and conc results, and I'll save them on desktop. Now let's look. Yes, this is. So now it will open in PDF in this way. You can save these results. The other option to save these results is snipping tool. So open the snipping tool, press the button new, and in this way you can also save these results. When you do this, so file and save as, so it will just like a picture. But I think the first option is better, because sometimes, as in the case of so your plot will be your plots with not only 6 but will be 10 or 20. So in this way that option is better. So this is all about this tutorial, concordance plot tool. So I hope you would have understood it. Remember in your prayers. Jazakallahu khairan and thank you.